Children, welcome to Social Science class. Children, today we are going to revise the first lesson, Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu. Now, I'll show you the photos of some freedom fighters. So you can look at it and tell me their names. Are you all ready, children? Okay. See this photo, children. Who is he? Yes, he is the great freedom fighter Subramania Bharati. Where was he born? Yes, he was born in a village called Ettayapuram. Okay, children, let's see next. Who is he? Yes, he is V.O. Chidambaram. What's his other name, children? Yes, he is also called as Kappalottiya Tamilan. Next, who is he? Yes, he is Tirupur Kumaran. Next, who is she? Yes, she is Lakshmi Sagal. Okay, children, let's recall about them one by one.
Children, let's recall about the great freedom fighter Subramania Bharati. He was a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. He was born in a village called Ettayapuram. He started writing poems at the age of 7. His poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. He worked as a teacher. Then he became the assistant editor of the Swadesamitra newspaper in 1904. He also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. He worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Siva. His poems are Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. Next, we recall about V.O. Chidambaram. His full name is Vallinayagan Ulaganathan Chidambaram. We shortly called as V.O. Chidambaram or V.O.C. He was also called Kappalottiya Tamilan. He was born in Tuticorin. He was a lawyer and was a good orator. He took part in the Indian independence movement. He started the first Indian shipping company. It was called Swadeshi Shipping Company, so that V.O. Chidambaram gained popularity. And many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. Hence, the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail. Though he was in the jail, he continued to fight for India's independence. His patriotism inspires many people even today. The next freedom fighter is Tirupur Kumaran. He was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Children, we also learnt about Chembaga Raman. During his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland, who took him to Austria. Chembaga Raman completed his schooling in Austria. He established an organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During the war, Chembaga Raman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. The next freedom fighter is Subramania Siva. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. He was born in Dindigul and was very passionate about Tamil. He started a monthly newspaper called Jnana Banu. He wrote many books. They are Ramanuja Vijayam, Sankara Vijayam and so on. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. This angered the British and they sent him to jail. Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. He closely worked with V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Bharati in freedom movement. And after his death, the collector office of Dindigul district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. And finally, we recall about the freedom fighter Lakshmi Sahal. She was an officer of the Indian National Army. She was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement. She is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. Okay children, we recalled about the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and serve our country. Children, in page number 110, you have our national flag. How many colors will be there in our national flag? Yes, 3 colors. They are orange, white and green. So, this is your activity children. You have to color this flag. Will you do it children? Yes. Let's recall the book back exercises. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Where was Bharatiyar born? Where was Bharatiyar born? The options are A. Ettayapuram, B. Madurai and C. Dindigul. Now tell me children, which is the correct answer? Where was Bharatiyar born? Yes, he was born in a village called Ettayapuram. Number 2. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. The options are A. Vande Mataram, B. Achamillai and C. Katti Inji. Which is the correct answer children? Yes, Vande Mataram and Achamillai, both these 2 poems are written by Bharatiyar. But the question is, Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. The poem was not composed by Bharatiyar. So, the answer is Katti Inji. Number 3. Dash is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan. Dash is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan. The options are A. Subramania Siva, B. Bharatiyar and C. V.O. Chidambaram. Tell me the answer children. Who is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan? Yes, V.O. Chidambaram is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan. So, the correct answer is option C. V.O. Chidambaram. Number 4. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Option A. Bharatiyar, B. Chembagaraman and C. Kumaran. Children, the word coined means to invent a new word or phrase. So, the answer is Chembagaraman. Chembagaraman coined the slogan Jai Hind. Number 5. Who started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu? Who started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu? The options are A. Subramania Siva, B. Bharatiyar and C. V.O. Chidambaram. Now tell me children, which is the correct answer? Who started a monthly newspaper Jnana Banu? Yes, Subramania Siva. Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper called Jnana Banu. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash was an officer of the Indian National Army. Dash was an officer of the Indian National Army. The answer is Lakshmi Sahal. So, Lakshmi Sahal was an officer of the Indian National Army. Number 2. The dash of the Dindigul district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. The dash of the Dindikkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. The answer is collector office. The collector office of the Dindikkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. Question number 3. Dash started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Dash started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. The answer is V.O. Chidambaram. So, V.O. Chidambaram started the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Question number 4. Bharati started writing poems at the age of dash. Bharati started writing poems at the age of dash. The answer is 7. So, Bharati started writing poems at the age of 7. Question number 5. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. The answer is 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Next, match the following. Number 1. Desabandhu Youth Association. The answer is Tirupur Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran started this Desabandhu Youth Association. So, the answer is Tirupur Kumaran. Number 2. Dindikkal. Answer is Subramania Siva. He was born in Dindikkal. So, the answer is Subramania Siva. Number 3. International Pro-India Committee. The answer is Chembagaraman. Number 4. Swadesamitran. Answer is Bharadiyar. Bharadiyar was the assistant editor of this Swadesamitran newspaper. So, the answer is Bharadiyar. Number 5. Lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram was a lawyer. Desabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran, Dindikkal, Subramania Siva, International Pro-India Committee, Chembagaraman, Swadesamitran, Bharadiyar, lawyer, V.O. Chidambaram. Children, let's see the missing letters. Here we have 5 words. In these 5 words, some letters are missing. So, we have to find and fill it in the dash. First one, C-O dash N-T dash Y. What's this word, children? Yes, this word is country. So, the spelling for country is C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Second one, D-I dash D-U dash A-L. What's this word, children? Yes, this is Dindikkal. So, the spelling for Dindikkal is D-I-N-D-U-G-A-L. Dindikkal. Third one, L dash W-Y dash R. What's this word? Yes, this is lawyer. The spelling for lawyer is L-A-W-Y-E-R. Lawyer. Next, fourth one, B-H dash R-A dash H-I. Can you guess this word, children? What's this word? Yes, this is Bharati. So, the spelling for Bharati is B-H-A-R-A-T-H-I. Bharati. Next, fifth one, F-R-E dash D dash M. What's this word? Yes, this is freedom. 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 Country, Dindukkal, lawyer, Bharati, freedom. Answer the following. Question number 1. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Subramania Bharati, V.O. Chidambaram, Chembagaraman, Subramania Siva, Tirupur Kumaran and Lakshmi Sahal. Subramania Bharati, S-U-B-R-A, Subra, Maniya, M-A-N-I-Y-A, Maniya. Subramania Bharati, B-H-A-R-A-T-H-I, Bharati. Subramania Bharati. V.O. Chidambaram, V.O. Chidambaram, C-H-I-D-A-M, Chidambaram, B-A-R-A-M, Chidambaram. Chembagaraman, C-H-E-M-P-A-K-A, Chembaga, Raman, R-A-M-A-N, Raman. Chembagaraman. Subramania Siva, S-U-B-R-A, Subra, Maniya, M-A-N-I-A, Maniya. Subramania Siva, S-I-V-A, Siva. Tirupur Kumaran, T-I-R-U-P-P-U-R, Tirupur Kumaran, K-U-M-A-R-A-N, Kumaran, Tirupur Kumaran. Lakshmi Sahal, L-A-K-S-H-M-I, Lakshmi Sahal, S-A-H-G-A-L, Sahal, Lakshmi Sahal. Question number 2. Name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Name some poems written by Bharatiyar. Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. Vande Madaram, V-A-N-D-E, Vande Madaram, M-A-T-H-A-R-A-M, Madaram, Vande Madaram. Achamillai, A-C-H-A-M, Acham, Illai, I-L-L-A-I, Illai, Achamillai. Endayum Thayum, E-N-T-H-A-I-Y-U-M, Endayum Thayum, T-H-A-A-Y-U-M, Thayum, Endayum Thayum. Jaya Bharatam, J-A-Y-A, Jaya Bharatam, B-H-A-R-A-T-H-A-M, Bharatam, Jaya Bharatam. Vande Madaram, Achamillai, Endayum Thayum and Jaya Bharatam. Question number 3. Write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. Write about the Swadeshi Steam Shipping Company. The answer is, it was the first Indian shipping company. IT8 was, WAS was, the THE the, first FIRST first, Indian IN DIAN, Indian. Shipping, SHIPPING, shipping company. COMPANY, company. It was the first Indian shipping company. It was started by V.O. Chidambaram. He started it between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. IT8 was, WAS was, started, STARTED, started by, BY, by V.O. Chidambaram. CHIDAMBARAM, Chidambaram. It was started by V.O. Chidambaram. He started it between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. He started, STARTED, started it, IT, between, BETWEEN, between Tuticorin, 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 and AND, and Colombo, 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 against, AGAINST, against British, BRITISH, British ships, SHIPS, ships. Question number 4. What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? Chembagaraman established International Pro-India Committee. Chembagaraman, CHEMPAKA, Chembagaraman, RAMAN, Raman, Chembagaraman, established, ESTABLISHED, established International, INTER, international, NATIONAL, national, international, PRO, pro, India, 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 committee, COMMITTEE, committee. Chembagaraman established International Pro-India Committee. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He joined, JOINED, joined the the Indian, INDIAN, Indian Independence, INDEPENDENCE, Independence Committee, 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 in Berlin, BERLIN, Berlin. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Coined, COINED, coined. Slogan, SLOGAN, slogan. Jai Hind, JAI, Jai Hind, 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 Jai Hind. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Question number 5. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. He is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. HEISS a freedom 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 fighter 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 from 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 Tirupur TIRUPPUR Tirupur. He is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. He started 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 Desa 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 Bandhu 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 Youth 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 Association ASSOCIATION Association. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. During 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 THE the protest 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 against 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 THE the British 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 he died 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 holding 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 THE the national 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 flag 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 OF of India INDIA India. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. SOSO HEISS called 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 Kodikatha KODI Kodi Katha KATHA Kodikatha Kumaran 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 Kodikatha Kumaran.